This Biblioshiny or Bibliometrics. This is basically our software. So there, here I tried to use this Biblio AI feature, but actually this is asking for Gemini API. Very good. I went to the Google AI Studio website here, so I copied my key. But when I am giving this key, like submitting here, I can show you once again. So first I need to go to the settings section. Okay, only in settings section you can paste your API. See, this API key seems to be not valid. Please check it or your connection. But my connection is okay, na? Internet is working now. But again I put here that key. Again it will show the same. So API key seems to be not valid. I did not find any video. I searched it on uh, YouTube. So yeah, see, again it's shown that API key seems to be not valid. So if you have any solution to this, kindly let me know in the comment section. Thank you.